Hello students, so in this video we will discuss this question. Prove that fx dx from minus a to a, lower limit is minus a, upper limit is a. And we have to prove that if fx is even, then this integration will be same as this, to 0 to a fx dx. And if fx is odd, then it will be 0. So you know this concept first, that fx is even. Fx is even means f of minus x is f of x. Correct? This is the meaning of fx is even. And fx is odd means fx will be f of minus x will be minus of fx. This you know. Correct? So if this condition is with fx, that even or odd, then this integration will be same as this and this. Correct? So we are going to discuss this. So in this we will use the properties of different integration. Correct? Properties of integration. Correct. Okay. So we have to prove. So I am taking LHS and I will prove that it is LHS based on the given condition. Okay. So I am taking LHS. LHS is minus a to a fx of dx. Correct? And this I can write as since minus a to a. So minus a to a. Just I am making like this is on real line. So this is minus a, this is 0, this is a. Correct? So minus a to a I can break in two limit, minus a to 0 and 0 to a. Correct? I can break. Correct? So minus a to a I am breaking as minus a to 0, first limit of fx dx, and plus this limit 0 to a. Correct? Plus then minus a to 0 I took, now I will take 0 to a. So 0 to a fx dx. So just I divided that limit, correct, in two parts, break the limit in two parts, minus a to 0 and 0 to a. You understood this? I don't think any issue in this. Now, since RHS is something like fx dx twice 0 to a, means only this term I want. I don't want this negative. Correct? 0 to a. Correct? I want only this type of limit. Okay? So I will try to convert this into this form. So if you will see carefully, then minus a, how I can convert in a? Minus of minus a will be a. Correct? So if x I am taking as something minus, correct, like this. So what I mean to tell, for this only I am doing, okay, let t is equal to minus x. I am taking t is equal to minus x. Correct? T is equal to minus x I am taking, or I am writing as like this, x is equal to minus t. I am replacing x with minus t. If I am replacing x with minus t, so if x is 0, x is minus a, that is lower limit. So limit also I will convert, correct? And here you can write that dx, then you will differentiate x is equal to minus t, so x differentiation is dx, and right side equal to t differentiation is minus dt, so dx is equal to minus dt. Correct? And limit also I will change, because this limit is in x. X is minus a and x is 0. Correct? So x also I will convert in t. Correct? So if x is minus a, so t will be, if x is minus a, then t will be, t I can write as minus x. X is equal to minus t. So t is equal to minus x. And x value is a. So minus of minus a, that will be a. Correct? I can say this is equal to a. Correct? And if upper limit that is 0. So x upper limit is 0. So if x is 0, then t will be again minus x, and minus x minus 0 will be 0 only. Minus 0 will be 0 only. So I am writing 0. Correct? So now I will convert this first portion, x as minus t. X as minus t. Correct? And dx I will convert as minus dt. Correct? So I am going to do that. So I am converting this as f of x. So f of minus t, correct, and dx as minus dt, so I am writing in bracket, correct, and lower limit when x was minus a, then t was a. So in place of minus a I will write as a, and when x was 0 then t was also 0, so 0 will be replaced with 0 only, correct, and plus in second one I have not performed anything, so it will be same, 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a fx dx, correct. Now f of minus t, and this minus, so this minus I will take outside, so I will write minus a to 0 f of minus t dt, correct, and plus 0 to a fx dx. Now variable is t, so I can write x also, there is no big deal, correct, variable can be anything, so t just I am replacing with x, correct, so instead of t I can write x also, correct, just minus x and dx, okay. Here I replace t with x, okay, so nothing will change, everything will be same only. Correct, okay. Now if you will see, minus sign is there, so this minus sign, if I will include, if I will change this limit, I want this a to 0 as 0 to a, so there is a property in the integration that a to 0 I can convert, correct, so this using this property, which property, I will use this property, that fx dx 0 to a or a to 0 I can write as minus a, sorry, not minus a, 0 to a, minus will come outside, fx dx, correct. So using this property, or I can say that, correct, so a to 0, so this minus I can write this side also, there is no change, correct, everything is same only, correct, and f of minus x dx is also same, correct, okay. So using this property I am writing here this minus sign I will remove and I will write a to 0 as 0 to a, correct, like this, then you will understand. I can write as 0 to a, f of minus x was there, so f of minus x, everything as it is, just limit will change, a to 0 will become 0 to a and minus will go, correct. So what I used, I wrote like this, minus, it was there, minus x dx, so just I change the limit 0 to a, using this minus I change this limit from a to 0 as 0 to a, and everything will be as it is, like this, okay. So I used this. Now everything is done. Now if now I will put condition, if fx is even, so if fx is even, it means f of minus x is equal to f of x. This is the meaning of even function, so if fx is even, I am using blue color to differentiate, correct. So if fx is even, then LHS, this is LHS only, this is nothing but LHS, because we were solving LHS only, correct, LHS. So LHS is this, correct. So I am using this LHS, correct, simplified one. So LHS will be, if fx is even, then I am writing LHS as 0 to a, and f of minus x will become f of x, because f of minus x as fx only, if fx is even. So 0 to a, f of minus x will be f of x only, rest everything will be same as it is, correct? So if fx is even, then this is twice 0 to a fx dx, correct? I don't think any issue, correct? So if fx is even, then this I got, and this we have to prove. This only we have to prove. If you will check in the question, correct? If fx is even, then this is the, so first part we proved. If fx is even, then LHS means this is equal to this. So first part is done. Now this is done. So now second part, if fx is odd. So if fx is odd, it means f of minus x is equal to minus of x. This is the meaning of odd function. So in this case, what will be the LHS? LHS will be 0 to a, and instead of this f of minus x, I will write as minus of fx dx, correct? And plus 0 to a fx dx. And now this minus I can write outside also. So LHS will be minus 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx, and these both are same, so this will cancel and will give 0. LHS is 0. So hence if fx is even, so I am just summarizing, if fx is even, then minus a to a fx dx is equal to twice 0 to a fx dx. If fx is odd, just I am summarizing, then minus a to a fx dx we got as 0, and hence proved. Okay, so I hope you understood.